So essentially, we started about 18 years ago. And for all those years, we've been focused on search, on mobility, and now we want to become an AI company. In fact, early this year, we changed the company's mission. So for Baidu, in the last year or so, we completely revamped the company to making sure we put the technology, the talents, and the resource into AI. So we have the world's largest deep neural networks. And we have over 40,000 employees, about 2,000 scientists in AI. And also vast amount of data. That's search data, location data, behavior data, transaction data. We believe we have probably the richest set of data in China. But more importantly, we enable new business. We believe in the AI era, you need to have an operating system, just like in the PC and the mobile. PC, we have Windows, and we have Apple, Mac OS. In the mobile, we have Android, have iOS. And we believe you need to have a similar system in the AI era. So we actually doing that. We're building a platform called DualOS. It is a conversational platform. It is open, and we position that as an Android of AI. The second is for cars. Again, we believe there's a need for operating system, for Android, for autonomous driving, which is probably more complicated than phone or than the generic AI. I'll talk more about that later. We call it Apollo. So DualOS, and as I mentioned, we want to position it as an open platform for AI devices, especially for home. So let me, I think it's pretty straightforward. Just let me show you a video clip that shows some of that capability. And this can be used for essentially any device. Right now, there are over 100 branded devices already using this operating system. For TVs, for speakers, for all the home appliances, refrigerators, for example. Also, again, there will be two different camps. And there will be huge battles in the next few years. One open and one closed. Similar to Windows in the PC that is open. Mac OS that was closed. Similar to Android is open for mobile. And iOS is closed for Apple. And for autonomous driving, same thing. We will see closed. Right now, Tesla's closed. Actually, Google is also closed. Waymo is closed. And we believe there's a need for open platform. We actually call it Apollo, that is Android of the autonomous driving. We started to put all the technology together about 2.5 years ago. So we actually started our first road test just about 2 years ago. And early this year, we put them together and make it open and free, and provided that to the whole industry and the whole world. And right now, we already have 70 partners, including actually some of the car makers here in Korea. And we hope, working together, we can accelerate innovation of this industry, and also, make sure there's minimal repetition of work. I was in Silicon Valley a few weeks ago. You see tons of startups doing similar things. So basically, using Apollo, you don't have to do those things. You can take this foundation and build your own innovation, differentiation on top of that. Just like a steam engine, electricity, and the internet, AI is a new transforming force of our industry. And the impact will be more profound than those three previous industry revolutions. And it will change our life, reshape our society, and transform our industry in a way that's never happened before. Thank you very much.